This was an original bunker that's here on number 11, but Brian just felt like it had been, it was just boring. To be brutally honest with you, it was just boring. So he came in here and I like to say it's almost like he took a ribbon and just squiggled it around and built this. And this was just another example of how the heck are you gonna grow this without zoysia? I just didn't see how we were gonna keep this face alive. And it's so funny, you know, Matt, like back in August when it started to, get really, really hot, you could just see the tall fescue on the top start going gray. Zoysia, it's fine.
Love and life.
Love and life. We started really growing. The only thing I'll have to say about it, we thought it would only grow like maybe, like a ½ inch, maybe an inch a year into sand. Nah, it grows faster than that. But it's okay, you just do a little bit of edging every once in a while. And they're better billy bunkers, which is just a fabulous material. They drain so well, and they stayed firm. And then the Valley Forge Buff has been a great sand, even though its availability is very difficult at times to acquire. So let's go see the bunkers on number 3. So this is a really good example of what Brian did with the bunker faces, where you can see this really sharp, it's almost 90 degree.
Yeah.
And so we don't feed them. We don't really spray them. The only thing we do is you can spray them with Roundup when they go dormant.
For weeds.
Yeah, I put a little bit of barricade on them, but they're great. So in the middle of the summer, when everything's burning down and you're chasing your tail about fairways and bunker banks, you never even think about. And that's something really refreshing when you don't have to worry about your bunker banks.
How often do you cut them?
Once a week during the peak of the season. Yesterday was probably last time till about 3rd week of May.
What do you cut them with?
Weed whacker.
Nice.
It's the only way. I'm very fortunate I have H2B visa. I have some really great guys who've been with me for 17 years. I have 7 guys come up from Mexico, and they are I can't begin to tell you how great those people are. So they do all the bunker work, and they're really the people who make the magic happen.
Is there a certain way to go about getting availability for those visas, or what do you do?
Yeah, you have to go, you actually should hire someone. We hire a consultant company that does it. They do all their paperwork, and we follow the federal jurisdiction with Department of Labor. They're fair and equitable. It's just we do a lottery. The problem is now that everybody and their mother's trying to get H2B, so they only have like 66,000 visas for 2 sections of the year, and there's 98,000 people trying to get visas. So you just have to go in a lottery and just pray to God that they come. But they're great people. I'm hoping, I know GCSA does a lot of positive work in helping lobby Congress in helping to get H2B to become, something that's mandatory, easy for us to be accessible to get that labor.